Hello folks, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how we can edit a PDF file. Okay, so for editing PDF file we have to use a software that is known as Adobe Acrobat DC. So before get to know the installation, we are going to learn how we can edit a PDF file. First we have to open that file using that Adobe Acrobat that is installed in my system, like this one, edit with Acrobat. Okay, I'm going to open this one. Okay, so the software is this one. This is Adobe Acrobat DC. So it is a PDF. Basically, you can say it is a PDF related software. You can edit a PDF document using it. You can export a PDF. You can convert a Word document into PDF. You can convert a PDF document into Word document using this software. You can do multiple tasks using this one, and actually it is a paid software, but in this video I will teach you how you can use this software free of cost, and you can do all PDF editing without using uh, without disturbing the formation of anything. Okay, like if you have a document that is in PDF and you want to, like you don't want to change the formation, so how you can do it? Like this is a PDF format file. It has converted this format now in editable form. Let's say I just want to remove this text. Okay, like this one, I want to remove this one, it will be removed. You want to type something else, like I want to type here computer, so that won't be difficult for anyone. Let's say now it is in bold and you can remove it by control. Okay, you can change the text type here. First you have to see what type of text he's using. Okay, now this one, simply you can change the color to gray, like this one. This will be good. Okay, so now you can see that almost you can change all type of things. You can change the combination, even you can change the font style here. Okay, you can choose font whatever you want. You can uh, like this one. Okay, and same you can choose whatever the font size it is. Even if you want to add an image in it, you can add image by using this software. Okay, let's say I want to add the image at the end of this document, like okay, let's say I want to add image in this area. All I have to do what, first it is going to convert this thing. I have to do what, I have to select this tool, that is add image. Okay, now first it is converting that thing into editable form. After the conversion, we can add the image, like this one, add image. All you have to do, what you have to select any picture you want to use. Like I want to use this one picture now. So this one, now it will be converted. Okay, look, simply I have to drag it. You can see the alignment as well here. It will be dragged. You can resize it. You can place any logo wherever you want. Okay, so this is how you are going to, if you want to crop the page, you can do it. If you want to add the text, new text you want to add here, all you have to drag this one, this area, and you have to type something whatever you want. Okay, so this is how you are going to edit your PDF. So in the rest of tutorial we are going to learn how you can uh, install Adobe Acrobat. First, this is the link from where you are going to uh, get this file. All you have to do, you have to type this link in the browser, and you have to open this link. The file is given here. Okay, This is the file. All you have to do, what you have to download this file. Okay, press this one, the file will be downloading into your computer. And the next thing is that this will be the file. Okay, you have to do what, you have to extract that file. If you have WinRAR uh, in your laptop, that is good. Rest you have to install it. Okay, after extracting this file, sorry, before extracting this file, you have to do what, you have to go to Windows Security. Okay, Windows Security. This is the Windows Security. And as you know, these things are correct, so you have to uh, turn off the protection level runtime. You will go to virus and threat protection. Okay, then you will go to virus threat protection setting, manage setting, and real-time protection should be turned off. Okay, it is going to ask the permission for the just time being, until you are going to install this Adobe Acrobat. You are going to do this one. Okay, you have turned on if this one now. Then you are going to extract this one. All you have to do, what, you have to um, go to Adobe Acrobat DC. Then you are going to install the setup. Okay, simply it is going to install it. After installing the software, you have to go to this crack. Okay, in the crack, first you are going to do what, first you are going to go there. You will select this one. And you have to just do what, you have to install this thing. Okay, after the installation, all you have to do what, and all you have to do what, you will go to patch. And make sure first you should turn off your internet connection. Okay, you should disconnect it. Okay, then you are going to, after disconnecting the network, you are going to install this one. After installing this, you have to patch this one. In the patch, you are going to run this one, press yes. Okay, after pressing it, all you have to do, you are going to find the Adobe Acrobat DC. Okay, so this will be Adobe Acrobat DC for you. Okay, so sorry for that, this thing. All you have to do, what, you have to go there. And you are going to do what, you will select Adobe Acrobat DC. In the list, Adobe Acrobat DC will be given. It will be, okay. This will be Adobe Acrobat DC. You have to install the patch. Okay. Then after patching it, your installation is complete. Okay. So the whole process is going to take, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes. That will be a lot of time. So I have told you steps. If you face any difficulty, kindly mention in the comment section. And that link will be provided in the description of the video. You can copy that link and paste in your browser, and you can download this file. Okay, Allah Hafiz, and thank you for watching.